Time traveler sneezes. Casemiro when he fouls Messi during UCL and sees Ramos coming towards him. PSG making the best transfer window in the history, my team who just signed a player that I never heard before. Bayern Munich fans waiting for their club to make the most random signing in the last day of the transfer window. Messi in League One. PSG signing Ramos, Donnarumma and Messi. Lille who just won League One, look what they need to mimic a fraction of our power. Plastic Barca fans on their way to support PSG because of Messi. A page you like Barcelona fan Nepal changed its name to PSG fan of Nepal.